the same as in here. It's all corner first. You have to do the corner first before you do the middle bit. So this is where the corner of the bed that you're gonna put it in. So the same with the other side of the corner as well. So this is the corner, guys. So you have to do it all the way through here. You make it easier. You make it easy to do it after that. So do that. I just want to press it a little bit, not really like so press, and my glasses is steady. So what's that? Oh. So all the way through to the corner, and then if you're doing ironing every weekend or almost every other day, for me it's easy to do the ironing. So still the part of the corner there. Right, and then the next one is you fold them in half. So you take the corner to corner. So you fold them in half. Fold them in half like that. Put them together, and then you do the rest. So if you see they still need a bit of water, spray it more. Just not so much. Spray it more, guys. Right, so that's the way you do it, like that. This is the so you have to press more. You have to press really hard. So they're in a number 3 to, yeah, it's number 3. That's where the maximum is. And still, so press it hard. You got a lot of energy. Do it all the way through there where the corner is. Just pull it. You can see if they're not done. So maybe it will take me a bit, maybe less than 10 minutes to do the bed cover. So I mean the fitted sheet. So this is like less than 10 minutes. Guys, I done it already. So this is the tricky bits, difficult bits to do it. So what we're gonna do is I will show to you how to fold very neatly the fitted sheets. So I will show it to you how to fold it properly and very neatly. So what we do is I'm going to unplug the ironing for a minute. Because I'm finished now. Let it cool there. So you can see that. So that's like a square, guys. See, it's the corner there where my hand. Right. So you just put them by here in ironing, or you can put them by on top of the bed. And then what you do is what happens is that way, guys. See, that's the like corner. Okay, so the two of this, and then because this is really difficult to fold them properly sometimes. So what you do, you just So hold it here. The same one here. Just fold it in the middle. Make it level. So you like you're folding like an envelope, guys, like that. So you see that, like you're folding an envelope like that. So now make sure that they're in the middle, and this is, make sure they're in the middle. The same with the other one. Now you can see from the top. You can see from the top, even if you don't want to iron your fitted sheet and you just want to fold it very neatly, see the way I fold it. So make sure that they are leveling up, level. See, you can see it's been folded like that. So if you just fold it from the top and fold it like that. So the next thing you do is you do it from here, one in there, and then you have to do it the other side, guys. Okay, so voila. See how very neat the fitted sheets is. Right, if you want to do it really small, you can fold it how many times? Maybe 2 times, 3 times. But this one, if you just fold it like that, voila. That's it. It's really, really neat. I know that's how you do it. You do it maybe the middle first, yeah. Then let's turn it like that. And you can see it's really, really neat. And voila. Thank you for watching, guys.